Good morning. I'm fine. How are you? How are you, everyone? Yes, very good. I'm fine, Sritama. How are you? Okay. Okay. So, welcome back to your class 1 EVS class. And you all get your date of your exam, right? So, now your time to prepare yourself. Yes. So you have to prepare yourself on EVS and science also for your last exam, term 2 exam. So have you any kind of problem? Parvez, not need to see the board, because we gave a oral section in the previous class like that. Today I will also ask some questions from this your EVS like oral. Okay. Yes. So have you any kind of problem from those EVS chapters? After reading it, have you any kind of problem? Let me know first. No. Okay. Okay. So, yes, good morning, Shovik. So, I will ask some questions from your chapters, from your last chapters, and you have to answer me correctly. Okay, everyone? So, let's start. You can write those questions in your copybook also if you want. Otherwise, you answer me here also. Okay. Okay, let's start. Your first question is, what is a globe? What is a globe? That's your first question. Give me answer first. That's too easy. Every question is so easy because we discussed it a lot of time also. What is a globe? Very good, Riyad. Yes, globe is a model of earth. Globe is a model of earth. Very good. What is globe? Globe is a model of earth. And others give me answer. Shibanita, Sredadri, Ujan, everyone give me answer. Rishi, Ritam, Rishi gave the answer. Ritam, Shanaya, Sharanya give the answer. Okay. And who didn't give the answer till now? Give me answer first. Susanna, Shubhecha. Okay, so globe is a model of earth. Very good. Now tell me, what is plane? What is plane? Plain. Plane. What is plane? Very good, everyone, for your first answer. Now tell me, what is plane? Very good. Very good. And others? Write it fast. The flat land is called plain. Flat land is called plain. Very good. Yes, so flat land is called plain. Very good. Now tell me, what is valley? What is valley? Some questions are same with your science, right? Because the chapters are same. So you can prepare yourself easily. What is valley? Very good everyone for the second answer. Yes, very good Susanna, Rayat and others. Give me answer first. Lowland between two hills called valley. Lowland between two hills called valley. Very good. Others give me answer first. So in our earth we can see the globe is a model of our earth, right? And there we can see two parts. Can you tell me what are those two parts we can see in earth, in the surface of earth or in the globe also? What are those two parts we can see in a globe? Very good Parvez. Very good Shanaya for the second answer. Third. Now for your fourth question is, what are those two parts we can see in a globe or in the surface of earth? Very good. It's land and water. Land and water. Very good. Now your next question is, how many colors we can find in rainbow? How many colors we can find in rainbow? Very good. That's too easy. 7 colors we can find in rainbow. Tell me the name of those 7 colors which we can find in rainbow. Name of those 7 colors which we can find in rainbow. Yes, it's Vibgyor, but you have to write its name. Shanaya. Vibgyor is that word that you can remember easily, but I asked about the name of those colors. Yes, 7 colors. Tell me the name of those 7 colors. Very good, Rayat. Susanna. As the Vibgyor, I told you to remember. Sritama, write the name of those 7 colors. Not only Vibgyor. Vibgyor is the word which you can remember it easily. And I asked about the name of those 7 colors. So if you write according to Vibgyor serially, it will be easy to remember. Yes. Very good, Shaptorshi. Shuraya. So Vibgyor, V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. Yes. Who gives us heat and light? Who gives us heat and light? Very good. It's sun. Sun gives us heat and light. Sun gives us heat and light. Why the stars are so small? Very good, everyone. Now tell me why those stars are so small. Why the stars are so small? Very good, everyone. For the answer, that is sun gives us heat and light. Now tell me. Very good, Rishi. Very good, everyone. So stars are very far from us, right? So that's why we are look them so small. They are twinkling also. So stars are very far from us. Yes. Which we can see at the night sky? Which things we can see at night sky? Yes, moon and stars. We can see one moon and lot of stars, right? One moon and lot of stars at night sky. Very good. Okay, now go to your next question. Which means of transport cannot be seen in the city? Which means of transport cannot be seen in the city? Very good, Sharanya, Rishi, Susana, Sritama, very good. So that is Tonga. Tonga we cannot see in the city. Very good. Tonga we cannot see in the city. So now tell me which transport we can see in the sky. Very good, everyone. For right answer, you all give the right answer. Which transport we can see in the sky? That also so easy. Which transport we can see in the sky? Very good. Shovik, Shaptorshi, Riyad. Yes. That's aeroplane and helicopter. Aeroplane and helicopter. Very good. Very good. Now go to your next question. Which animals only eat flesh? You have to give example. Give some example of those animals which eat only flesh. Is it only tiger and lion? Cow and horse, they eat flesh. Riyad? Cow and horse eat flesh. Your answer is wrong, Riyad. Yes, that lion, tiger, wolf, fox. They eat the flesh of other animals. Yes, flesh eater animals, but I ask about example. Okay, so as the who eat the flesh, those all are the flesh eater, but you have to give me example now. Shovik, that's tiger, lion, fox, wolves, jackal. There are a lot of examples who eat only flesh. Now tell me, uh, which animals like to eat food grains? Which animals like to eat food grains? Can you tell me? Yes. Grain eaters. Shovik, I asked about now the example. Very good everyone. Hen, pigeon, sparrow. Mainly those birds like to eat food grains. So the hen, parrot, sparrow, pigeon, those all are the grain eaters. They are eat only food grains. Very good. Very good. Now tell me, which animal like to eat insect? Give some example. Which animal like to eat insect? Give some example. Insect eaters. Give some example. Yes. Lizard, chameleon, spider, frog. Very good. Very good. Lizard, chameleon, spider. Yes, frog. Very good. Now tell me. Very good everyone. Very good. How many legs do insect have? How many legs do insect have? Very good. Everyone, full not. It's 6 legs. Insect have 6 legs. You learnt this in your science book, right? Yes, 6 legs. It's okay, Sritama. Not a big problem. So, what is the fastest train in India? What is the fastest train in India? Write its name. Very good, Susanna. You have to write the express also, Reyad and Sritama. Yes, so this is Shatabdi Express is the fastest train in India. Very good. Very good. And others, give me answer. Yes, that is Shatabdi Express. Very good. Who is the national bird of our country? What is the national bird of our country? Very good, it's peacock. Very good, very good. Peacock is the national bird of our country of India. Now tell me, which reptiles haven't any leg? Which reptiles haven't any leg? Or which reptiles have no legs? Which reptiles have no leg? Very good, Sritama. Shuraya. Very good. That is snake. Very good. So here we completed some revision, not whole chapters. We just revised 3 or 4 chapters today as like a revision. So next day we revised the other chapters also. Till then you have to read yourself at your home, because your exam already given and your exam is coming soon. That's why you have to prepare yourself as very good. So everyone, best wishes for your exam. And test paper 2. Yes, that's not completed, right? Yes, you can try this, because those all are very easy, those questions, and we revise it a lot of time also. Okay everyone, so who are present in the class, please write here P. Have to take your attendance. That's all for today. Have a nice day.